In today's video, we are going to show you how to submit a VAT return in Xero. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. On the dashboard, I want you to hover on the top left corner where you can see your profile name. There is a drop-down menu. I want you to click the gear icon, which is the settings. This will forward you to a new page. All I have to do is scroll down until you find the tax section. Now, click the manual tax rates because this is where you can add and manage manual tax rates. Now, scroll down until you find the option to click the new tax rate. Now, if you are a business owner, bookkeeper, or accountant using Xero, this is very useful. Now all I have to do is provide the tax rate display name. I am going to name it as VAT return. Now for the tax components, this will depend on their country or location. In my case, the VAT here in my area is 69%, so I'm going to put in something like that here. The total tax rate is going to be 69%. And click the save button. And what will happen is the VAT return will be added on your tax. Okay, so if you check the box, you also have the option to delete it if you added it by accident. But basically, that's how you submit a VAT return in Xero. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.